Hi guys, my name is Harish Chauhan and I'm from Value Based Realtors. Today I will talk about a project by Godrej developer, that is Nature Plus. So I will tell you about three best point about the project. First, I'll tell you if I talk about the location is Sector 33 south of Gurgaon, and it's bang on National Highway 248A, which is also called as Delhi Mumbai Industrial Corridor. And if I talk about now second point, the second point, if I talk about its connectivity from the different part of the Gurgaon to this property Nature Plus. So it will be 15 minutes drive from the Golf Course Road, 15 minutes drive from the Subash chowk, and 15 minutes drive only from the SPR also. Now the best and the important point, that is third point I'm going to talk about, that the brand, it's Godrej, and the lockdown offer that is this builder is giving you, it's 1090 plan. Yes, you heard me right, 1090 plan. You just need to pay 10% now and nothing till possession. And one more thing I'll tell you about this, you don't have to take any loan or any EMI. Just pay 10%, forget about the loan, forget about the EMI. So no stress till possession, So now I will show you the sample flat video. So let's check out the 3 BHK sample flat.